NXX Manufacturing introduces a new way administrators can manage their product subscriptions. In this video, you'll learn how to leverage the admin console to enable your team's access to the cloud applications. On the left-hand side, we can find all of our products that are under our Enterprise Cloud account, or more commonly known as the ECA ID. The right-hand side will show a product overview of the highlighted product on the left. Here we are showing NXX Manufacturing, Plant Simulation X, and Process Simulate X. Let's now take a look at how we can manage our users. To assign a new user, click on Assign User. To assign a user, you need to enter the email, the tier for the user, the role, and the add-ons for that user. Then click Assign. To edit a user, make sure the toggle by the user is selected. Then click Edit User. Here, you will need to select the different tier, different add-ons, and then click Save. To remove a user, hover to the user and click on Delete. Here, select Remove. Admins are able to manage other users under the Enterprise Cloud account. To add more admins, click on Add Admin. Enter an email address, then click Save. The admin console supports groups. Groups can be created for a company however they see fit. Here we have a group as Machinist, Quality, Additive, Metrology, and Plant. When users are added to a group, any change for that group in terms of a seat for a product are applied to all users in that group. We can now in the admin console visualize the tokens that are used in the Enterprise Cloud account per product. The admin console introduces many benefits to customers by having the ability to manage their users' subscriptions for products like NXX Manufacturing, greatly reducing the time it takes to onboard new users.